What to watch on Netflix right now? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss a couple of steps on what we can watch on Netflix right now, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the question of what you want to watch on Netflix really depends upon what you have been watching and what are your tastes and what are the considered genres that you would like to watch. Now for example, Netflix also has a recommendation tab inside their application that will give you some of the best and some of the trending shows that are currently ongoing around your locality. So open up the Netflix app, and if you go to this section called news and hot, this is where most of the things happen. So under the coming soon tab, you'll be able to see any shows that are going to be streaming soon on Netflix. If you go to the everyone's watching tab, this is what everyone has been watching right now, and if you want, then you can also obviously go ahead and then start watching this. If you want to play games, then you can go ahead and play games, but you can see everyone around you is actually watching this little things over here, which you'll be able to go ahead and then stream. Now these are the things that you can watch in Netflix. Ultimately the question really depends upon you. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.